Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix YouTube layout. 1. Launch the YouTube website. 2. The homepage of YouTube will be displayed on the screen. 3. Now press and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus I keys simultaneously. A pop-up window will appear on the screen. 4. In the top menu, you will see several options like Sources, Network, Performance, Memory, Application, Security, etc. 5. Now click on Application. 6. Now click on the option titled Cookies in the new menu. 7. Double-click on Cookies to expand it and select https:/www.youtube.com/.8. Now, several options like Name, Value, Domain, Path, Size, etc. will be displayed on the list on the right-hand side. Search for Pref under the Name column. 9. Look for the Value table in the same row and double-click on it. 10. Double-clicking on the value of Pref will enable you to edit the field. Replace the field with F6 = 8. 11. Now close this window and reload the YouTube page. You have learned how to fix YouTube layout. Thank you for watching our guide.